Alright guys, standing in front of the beautiful rare yellow SVJ, you guys already know, but now it has way more fun in it. It has the RDB Signature Exhaust System and a tune, so it's way louder, it's faster, shoots fire, all that stuff. It's not the most exaggerated tune, it doesn't do those crazy burbles, whatever, but it does have those bomb shooting pops and the fire. And the RDB Signature Exhaust, this is version 2. We had the version 1, which we still offer. It's a little bit less high-pitched, but this one is more of the high-pitched version, and it sounds great, honestly. So if you want really loud, screaming version, you have version 2. If you want the other one, we have that as well. So yeah, this car is very, very loud. I had a blast driving it. But yeah, this is gonna be probably one of the last V12s that sound like this, so this is gonna be worth a lot of money and it's amazing. So yeah, if you have an SVJ or any other Aventador, by now you already know we've done from the start of the Aventador until the finish more exhaust than anybody, so give us a call.
I maybe got the crib, I need a
Alright guys, we are standing behind this beautiful SF90. This is the one we did the 22 inch RDB wheels on it. We're gonna do Novitec exhaust system. But right now we're also scanning, 3D scanning the vehicle. 1016 Industries, again, in partnership with RDB, is developing a carbon fiber body kit for this car. It's gonna include a rear deck spoiler, a rear carbon fiber diffuser, side skirts, front spoiler, and a spoiler that goes on the hood as well. So we're gonna be developing an awesome kit for it. The SF90s are getting super hot. A lot of clients are getting them, so we decided we must do a carbon fiber kit. Ferrari does offer a carbon fiber kit, the Fiorano package. I don't know how to pronounce that, but if you do get that, which is very expensive, you cannot get the front lifter option. So all these cars that you try to slam on that body kit package, you don't have a lifter, so you can't drive that car on driveways or whatever. So we're gonna fix that problem and offer our own carbon fiber body kit for the SF90. So stay tuned for that. We have a lot more to come.
How much is this? $1 million? Check it out. $1 million? Check it out. Does it really matter how much it is? We still can't afford it.
Oh, that attitude.
Yeah, one day.
You wouldn't even buy this. I like a Rolls Royce.
Yeah. I mean, or a nice, like a nice S-Class or something, you know?
Why would you get an S-Class over a Rolls Royce?
It's just too big. I think an S-Class is gonna be it's perfect, you know? One of these. Oh wow. So much money in this, invested in this car. It's outrageous.
Is it a good investment?
Yeah, you can most likely sell it. Yeah, you can sell this any day.
What's your number, Mom? Say it on camera.
Don't forget to delete this part. Well, if you leave this on, how much do you want for this? $1,000 stayed out?
Yeah, 1,000.
I'll give you 1,000. I'm gonna call you anyway.
Mine?
No, I'm gonna call him to like delete everything anyway. I call him every night. I tell him not to put stuff and he puts it. So I gotta correct him. So at night,
He gives me a nice long text.
yeah, I'll text him what to delete, but he doesn't listen, so he still puts half of it. And then he goes,
"Oh, are you giving me notes?"
and then he says, pay me this much money and I'll take it out.
Yeah, blackmailing.
There's staples everywhere. Bro, you guys demolished the office, man. I tried to keep it clean.
Hey, why is your head so oily?
There's no more staples.
I think we have it inside.
I have some. You guys want some?
Why are you gonna give us more ammo? You're
I thought
inside.
you guys need it. No, for staple your paperwork.
Moses, you ready for the podcast number 4?
Yeah.
Are you gonna drink more? He's gonna drink more than he did last time.
We ran out
It's
of
like, as long
alcohol.
as there's alcohol and cigars.
Yeah. As long as I can smoke and drink, I'm fine.
No, we ran out.
What? Of alcohol?
We don't have any more.
Because you drank it all.
Shit, we need to buy more alcohol.
Well, Moses, he's only
Yeah,
drinking
he
all.
drinks it all. After his fourth drink, he's like, my immune system is strong.
The podcast should be called
Tolerance.
Mondays with Moses.
Mondays with
It's just him getting
Alcoholic
drunk.
Problems, episode 4.
You put all of us drinking that much? That's bad.
You drank. You're the only one that drank.
God. Now we have Cuban cigars, Blue Label.
Now this is a podcast. I took a sip of White Claw. Sarkis had a sip of
Hey, the
White
rest
Claw.
is in the fridge.
Hey, by the way, all the comments were saying White Claw should sponsor us. I think they should.
Yeah.
Moses doesn't like it.
No, he liked it.
No, I like it. It's just not strong enough. It doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
It's a true alcoholic.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are in this brand new 2022 Rolls Royce Phantom. This thing is the extended wheelbase, so it's the longer one. It's super big. This is one of the biggest cars I've ever seen. It's insane to think this is a car. The interior is mind-blowing. I mean, it has this glass right here that has designs inside of it with the screen floating, and behind it is this, I don't even know what to call it, like a marble finish. I mean, that's insane. White and black throughout the whole car. Giant white painted panels inside. White leather, black Starlight headliner, of course. And the back seat, which is really where it's at, because it has the 2 seats that recline. The footrest goes up. There's all kinds of crazy shit back there. It's nuts. It's like a yacht on wheels, and it's just insane. This car is about $700,000 sticker price, completely custom made for a client. He ordered it, of course. We did a full clear bra on it. So the entire car has been clear bra, uses 2 rolls. Massive job, honestly, but you got to clear bra this big tank. And then on top of it, it was lowered, and we also did the 24-inch Masterpiece RDB wheels, which look incredible. And we also painted the reflectors, the orange and red reflectors. We painted those white, Arctic white, to match the car, and that's about it. Tints as well, but yeah, a lot of work on this thing, even though it sounds like it's not that much. On this kind of vehicle, it's tough, and we got it done. It looks immaculate. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Drives great, even on the 24s. And I love the Arctic white with the silver brush combination. We were maybe gonna do a blackout with black wheels. The owner decided to do something else. I think this is really clean. But yeah, this is as crazy as it gets for a sedan, and I think it's my favorite luxury rolling sedan out there. The extended wheelbase makes it a little bit tough to drive if you're alone, but obviously if you're in the back seat, this is insane. So there you have a brand new Rolls Royce Phantom, modified and protected by RDB.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
You liked it?
He liked it?
Yeah.
Of course he's gonna like it. It's better than a Lambo, Volkswagen. So it's not a Lambo, it's actual Volkswagen. How did you like the drive?
It was nice. Why are you driving it now?
Because he doesn't know how to drive. Let me show you what this car can do. This is not nice for me to drive this car. I have to sit in the back. We have to let the Vic drive the car, and for me to sit in the back.
Where would you go if you had this for a day?
To be honest, I wouldn't get so excited about this than having the Down or Ghost. This one, will people think I'm a driver, so that's gonna happen. So if I drive the Ghost or the Down, at least I can.
It looks like it's yours.
Yeah, I will say it's mine. But this one, they're gonna think I'm a chauffeur, so they're not gonna pay attention to me. So this one, girls, they don't pay attention to a driver. They pay attention to a
Who's in the back?
yeah, who's in the back. But if you drive a Ghost or Down, that way they will pay attention to you.
Because it looks like it's yours.
Yes, it is.
So where would you go with a Dawn?
Oof. First thing I will go. I don't know.
I feel like you would already had this thought out.
The
You and
car.
Moses had the weekend off, and you guys are just being driven around in this car.
I'll tell him to drive me to Vegas.
Vegas?
Yeah.
Dang, that's crazy. That's a far drive.
Yeah. I just really enjoyed the ride.